Good Saturday morning. It's still Saturday, right? My brain. So we were gonna do a family trip today, but two things happened. Number one, Hurricane Ian happened, and where we were gonna go was kind of in the sight of where that was gonna hit landfall, and we were like, you know what? I didn't feel like fighting a hurricane. Did you feel like fighting a hurricane this weekend? No, he didn't either. So coffee, and we're heading out the door. Number two, our microwave sounds like it got hit by a freight truck. And how old is that microwave? 5 years?
6 years?
Yeah, it's like 5 years old. The filter piece came off. It was like a piece of cardboard with all it was. A little piece of cardboard covered the vent. So it's got to be replaced. The kids just got new mattresses. You'll see that in another video. But we want to get mattress covers because they're like these super nice mattresses. So I want to get the mattress covers before they put them on their bed. So we're doing a family day out. I think we're just going to Walmart, and then we're going out to one of our favorite eat out places.
Yeah, probably.
So we're just bringing y'all along because this is what happens. Sometimes we have to, because we don't go into debt to pay for our adventures, sometimes we have to step back from the adventures and take care of the everyday life for at-home life instead of traveling all the time. So we're just going to bring you along on that instead today. And I think it's actually still supposed to be raining. We kind of got hit by, like, we call it the backhand of Ian, because like it was swirling, and then as it swirled back, we got hit with that back. So we keep telling people we got backhanded by Ian. But we still have the rain and some of the milder wind from it. We did pull in all of our fall decor last night because there was a risk that it was going to get blown off. I didn't want to risk damaging a lot of money worth of decor that we've collected over the years. So I'm going to finish coffee. Did you finish your coffee? And then we are going to head to Walmart. Found one thing we were looking for. The other one we're getting from Amazon.
Yes.
Because we found that local, or I don't know if it's just our Walmart, but we found like a lot of the specialty stuff that we need to buy. It's just easier for us to get it from Amazon, and it comes directly to our house instead of driving half an hour to the closest Walmart. So we found the microwave. It wasn't the exact one we were looking at that we wanted to get, but it gives us a microwave for now. And then we ordered a couple of things for the kids' room from Amazon. Bought the vent covers for their room, and I think that's pretty much it. Where are we heading next?
To eat.
Food. What are you in the mood for?
I don't know yet.
Brussels sprouts for the kids.
No.
Chinese or
Chinese.
I just want
They want Chinese. I don't know. Are you in the mood for Chinese?
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Let's head out. Back home. We had a good lunch out together, and it was nice to just have a family lunch out and away. And we were able to, like I said, get the microwave we needed to get. We were kind of bummed we weren't able to get the mattress covers that we were looking for the new mattresses. Again, you'll see all the kids renovations in a separate video for each room because it's a lot. 4 kids, 2 different rooms. It's a lot, but it's really cool how it's coming together with like a lot of organizational things and personalizing the rooms to how they need them. So it's gonna be really cool. But because of that, and getting it from Amazon, it's gonna delay us till Tuesday to work on that. But we were gifted this massive box of bananas, and they needed used pretty quickly. So while Matt and I are looking at probably trying to move the old microwave, it's actually not. Huh. I thought it was a Hamilton Beach. It's not. It's a West End. But yeah, this thing right here is going to have to go. This is our other air fryer. We don't use it often, but we're keeping it for now. But I may move it somewhere else if we have to get the new microwave in. But this one's going to have to go because, I mean, also like the light no longer works on it, and it hasn't for years. And when we actually bought a new bulb to replace it, the bulb will not come out where it was. And they didn't actually tell us that until after we bought the bulb, that hey, the bulb was not going to come out to replace it. So we were really upset about that because those bulbs are not cheap. So it already had the burnout bulb, and then it had the filter piece break, and then it got something in it, and now it's pretty much not usable. I mean, like the clock will work on it. The reason why I don't have that set is whenever we do the pork loin, the pork roasts, if you haven't seen our recipe videos, they're up here, or actually maybe they're up here in one of the cards somewhere up here. But this, whenever that goes on the freezer, we have to unplug the microwave to be able to use it. So it has to be unplugged, and that's not why it's acting the way it is. We know it's just because it's older and it has something in the system that we can't get out of it. So, and again, it's like 6 years old, and microwaves usually don't last long periods of time. So we have to do that. We don't have to. I want to get that done. And then why don't we make some banana bread together? So because we were pretty much all tired from a busy week of school, home renovations, work, everyday life and things, we actually did end up not putting the microwave together today, and we didn't put the new memory foam top to the mattress. The Nectar mattress is still fine. It's just we found that our needs have changed a little bit, so we're hoping that'll help a little bit. And if not, then we'll figure it out from there. But that's pretty much it for tonight. Thank you guys for following along on a Saturday at home, and we will see you next time.